Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REDBEAT E3 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Starts off opening calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want to add our event. We can change view for month and tap on it, maybe 24th of January. There is plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. There we can add this event to group about what is it, about our family, works or something like that. There we can turn on and turn off, it will be all day event, or we can set in which time event starts and finish. We can also change, add repeat of that if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make also video conference when event starts, add location of our event, notification, and we can add more than one notification if we need it, and we can make custom notification. We can change color about our notification to this event, add description and attachment. After you add all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save. And that's all, we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.